A professional approach on how to design a road or highway using the most dynamic and industry-recommended software for civil engineering projects, Autodesk Civil 3D design software. Practical insights are included and well explained for the students to internalize and apply to their proposed design projects. The principles of road design and construction are well explained from a theoretical and practical perspective on the current road construction techniques employed by the most experienced and sought-after contractors in the road construction sector. Students are familiarized with the user interface of the design software and taken through brief training sessions on how to use the application. Road design and documentation are made easier, cost-effective, and time-saving on design changes, and engineers are able to create the best professional road design documentation. This course is compiled for civil engineering students and practitioners, road design engineers, surveyors, traffic engineers, road contractors, and road quantity surveyors.